Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sync Google Contacts with Copper CRM. All right, it's actually pretty easy. So first off, log into your Copper CRM account. And then once you're in here on your dashboard, just go to the top left, click on your profile or profile name. And what you'll do is just go out and find integrations, okay? Or workspace settings. You can click on one. Now, once you're in here, go to the top left, click on Setup Google, okay, at the very top. Click on it. Now click on Google Sync Settings. If this is your first time going to this page, it will ask you to connect your Google account. So that Copper right here will be connected to all of your Google apps like Google Calendar, Gmail, and some other stuffs. So in here, going back to sync Google Contacts with Copper, just scroll all the way down. You have the Google Contact One-Way Sync option. Okay. As it says here, Copper creates a label on your Google Contacts called Copper. People added to CRM will be automatically added to the Copper label in Google Contacts. Updates made in Copper will be synced to Google Contacts. And please note that updates made in Google Contacts will not be reflected in Copper. Okay, just tick this checkbox and it says here it is updated. Okay, let's just go ahead and test it out right here. Okay, let's just go ahead and test it out. Whenever you add a people, okay, and here will be added automatically to your Google Contacts labeled Copper. So test it out. Add a person, maybe William. Right here, William Hunter. I'm gonna hit on save. I'm gonna wait for it, and then once that's done, let's go ahead and check Google Contacts. Let's refresh the page. And that is it. That is how you sync Google Contacts with Copper CRM. Okay, you actually have more options like a two-way sync. Okay, this is by using a third-party service like Sync Penguin, which allows for both one-way and two-way syncs. Also, you can go ahead and straight up go to Google Contacts. Okay, create a label, maybe Copper or Copper 2, hit on save. And then you can go ahead and import your people CSV or vCard format. Okay, let's say go to people, you have exported it all, export right here. There you go. And then you receive this file, click on it, save it wherever you want. Now let's go ahead and import it right here, select file. As you can see, it's not located because that was saved as an XLSX file. So let's go ahead and edit it. Don't mind the mess right here because I just changed my aspect ratio. Okay, so let's go and find people, right click, open it, wait for it to load, enable editing, file right here, save as a CSV. There you go, hit on save. I'm gonna close this one. Now I'm gonna open up the browser, select file, this CSV, open, select the label, Copper 2, hit on apply, import. Wait for it. And then once done, you're good to go. As you can see here under Copper 2, we now have 5 contacts. And there you have it. That is how you sync Google Contacts with Copper CRM. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.